parent to the corn hubs and all right. So they bring in truckload after truckload after truckload a month in advance.
You can have rice on the cob. No, I'd like that. It'd be pretty good. Water it up, put some stickies in it. It's pretty good. Well, you look around here, and the crowd's pouring in. And Brian, when we watch the crowd start to fill up, you know, you look away for a section, and boom, all of a sudden you see that section, the next section. Come this afternoon, this place will literally have an energy about it as you walk around. You can feel it in the air. Every single rider here today is tied for the championship points lead with 0.
Yeah, no, the other thing for all of you that may be attending other nationals also, you go to Eventbrite, do the other nationals out here, buy your tickets now online. You can also register for some of their amateur programs online, which makes it much faster and much quicker. You already have your receipt for your ticket when you show up at the race, and they have had phenomenal pre-sale from what the Dirt Diggers are saying on how many people have purchased tickets for today for this opening day.